I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your Amazon SiteStripe. It's pretty easy to do, but I had to figure it out. This is my regular Amazon account, and then you have my Amazon Associates affiliate account. So there are two different accounts. So first, what you want to do on your Amazon, I'm going to go ahead and log on to my regular account. Okay, sign in. You notice that I got my password already in. And once you sign in, you notice that the SiteStripe is not available nowhere. So what you want to do is go on your affiliates account and log in. And once you log in, the only thing you will have to do is go up there where your email is at and go to account settings. On the account settings, you see the associate SiteStripe options. Click that. And I'm going to stay on this one for a few seconds so you can read what it's about. But basically what it is, you can have your SiteStripe right in your regular Amazon account, so you won't have to log on both of them. So you go down here where it says disable. Only thing you have to do is click that button to enable it. So I'm gonna give you a few more seconds. So I'm gonna click this button, and you notice it says enable. It's a status update successfully. So then you can go back to your Amazon account. I'm gonna log out, or you probably just refresh it. But I'm gonna log out and log back in. Once you log back in, if you look to the top, now you see that Amazon affiliate account is linked to your regular Amazon account. So to turn it back off, the only thing you just got to do is go right here to settings and click this button right here. It says turn it off, and that's it. Now it's off. So if I go to my Amazon Associates account, you see it's still say enable because I hadn't refreshed it. But if I log out and log back on, you're going to notice that it's going to be disabled. So if I go to the settings again, and I go to the associate SiteStripe options, it's disabled. So that's all to it. I hope this video helped. Thank you.